Introducing Victory Single Cabin with Box, your ultimate partner for efficient and reliable transportation needs. Whether you're in the cargo business, running a laundry service, furniture services, or general trading, this vehicle is designed to meet your demands. One of the standout features of this vehicle is its huge cargo space. With ample room to accommodate a wide range of goods, the Victory Single Cabin with Box is perfect for cargo companies needing to transport large quantities, laundry services handling bulk loads, catering businesses delivering food and equipment, and general trading companies moving a variety of products. With the cargo space length of 2.8 meters and width of 1.5 meters, this vehicle offers the room you need to transport everything with ease. Load up fast, unload even faster. It's built for efficiency and designed to meet your business needs. Victory Single Cabin with Box. Reliable, spacious, and ready for your business. Contact us today.
Victory, the smart choice for your business.